Right, what are the minor arcs of circle O? Minor arcs are less than 180 degrees. So we've got this minor arc from J to K. We've got this minor arc from H to J, and the letters can be in either order. You can call that JH or HJ. We've got minor arc HL, and we've got minor arc LK. And as you can see, if we were to try and uh, add two arcs together, we would end up getting, like this, we would end up getting a semicircle, right? A half circle, hemisphere. So um, we wouldn't be able to do that. So all we're looking at are the ones that we've got uh, already marked. And so when you look for them as your answer, what you need to look for is uh, ones that possibly have the letters reversed. So we've got HJ or JH. Let's see right here. Oops, let me do it in a different color. Right here, right here. Yeah. Um, JK or KJ, JK or KJ. Right there. We've got the yellow one, KL or LK, KL, KL, and HL or LH, HL or LH. Now, they C and D both have that. Oh, and KL was here, sorry, and JK was here, LH is here, so that has them, but A and B don't have them all. And what's extra on C? We've got HK, H to K actually is two, that's 180 degrees. All the minor arcs have to be less than 180 degrees, so can't have that. And JL, and JL the same thing. Can't be 180 degrees, has to be less. And if you're going to name those anyway, you could also do from here to here and from here to here. But we can't, so it's D.